If you want to cancel your Coinbase subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Access Subscription Management. In the Settings menu, look for a section related to subscriptions or billing. Click on this to view your active subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find a specific subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to access the details and options related to the subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy before finalizing. Once you have completed these steps, your Coinbase subscription will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.